Hey everyone, Josh here with Fresh Start Customs, and today is a good day. We have reached 10,000 subscribers, and it turns out YouTube doesn't send you a plaque for 10,000 subscribers, but I think we deserve it. You guys have supported me all along the way, so we are going to go ahead and make our own 10,000 subscriber plaque today. Let's get into it.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Alright you guys, there you have it. That is our 10,000 subscriber plaque. If you couldn't tell by the video montage that we just played, this back piece here is what the lights run off of. It just runs off of 3 AA batteries. It has 9 different functions for the lights, like flickering, static, etc. Obviously, the one thing I'd want to change about this is to tighten this up a little bit, but I only had one shot at this. This was my first attempt. This is all the material I had for it. I just wanted to give it one and done kind of go instead of testing and testing and testing. And I think it turned out really well. We used Barnyard Red for the stain, for the YouTube logo here, and then just regular engraving. We have multiple layers. We have the outside layer for the frame, the bottom back layer that floats in here to hide that battery pack in the back, and then we have these top 2 layers for the YouTube logo and the quote. We also have the lights in there. If you couldn't tell, that floating shelf in the back has little holes in it that I ran the lights all the way through, and that's how I got them to stay. There's no glue on the lights whatsoever. And then on the back, I did put 2 little screw holes that we can mount it on the wall, because I want to mount this on the wall eventually. I do want to say thank you so much for all of your support along the way in all these years, and the people who've been there from the start. If you're brand new to the channel and you want to get into laser engraving, feel free to check out my channel. I have like 400 some videos, I think it is now, all about laser engravers. You'll learn a lot. I'd appreciate it if you subscribe and follow along the way as well. If you guys have any questions, like always, let me know down in the comments below. But thank you again for getting me up to 10,000 subscribers. That is a major milestone in my opinion. I think we deserved it. Since YouTube wouldn't give it to us, we had to make it. I hope you found this video interesting, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.